What's up guys, so in this video we're going to talk about 8 tips that you can learn from Kylie Cosmetics, her email marketing, how they are doing some things that you can apply to your email marketing strategy to increase the revenue that you generate from email marketing, because I see many stores that are not utilizing email marketing at all. So this is going to be very useful for you. And if you like me to audit your account like this, to find the bottlenecks that holds you back, just click the link down below and book a free discovery call with me so I can gather all the information I need in order to perform the audit for your brand. So without further ado, let's get straight to the thing. So this is the welcome email sequence from Kylie Cosmetics, and as you can see, the first thing is that she has this big image which is kind of relatable to what their receivers expect. It's her brand, so it's an image of her. Then they have like this message, welcome to Kylie Cosmetics. So this is a typical thing that you should have on your welcome email sequence. Yet I see many of you guys that don't have any image on this one, and you just start with some block of text and some things that your customers don't care about, and for that reason you don't generate the revenue from the most important email on your email marketing account. So then just after the big hero image, that's what it's called, we have enjoy 15% of your next order and the code which is Kylie 15, and you have the call to action which is above default, shop now. So a lot of you guys, after, even if you have image, you just start with some block of text, brand introduction, and all these things. But the fact is that your visitors don't care about your brand story on the first email. They saw the pop-up, sign up and get 50% off. They receive this email and they expect this discount in this email. They don't want to hear about your origin story and stuff, which is a good thing to have in like second or third email. But for this email, you just want to keep it concise, keep it to the point. They have subscribed for the discount, so give them that discount that they're expecting to receive. So this is very important thing, and you can see there's a shop now button. I see many brands that put their CTA just on the bottom of the email, and therefore they just miss a lot of revenue opportunity, because there will always be a portion of people that don't want to scroll your emails. So for that reason, you want to keep it above default. So this is super important. Then the next thing that we have here, you can see she has this banner free domestic shipping with orders over $40. This is a thing that you should really test, because we have seen the increase in AOV on emails for some brands when having these things. So we have A/B tested this and saw increase in revenue. If you offer free shipping above the certain threshold, put this into the A/B test on your Klaviyo account or whatever ESP you're using, and check if that helps you with increasing your revenue, because people will see that here and they will try to find more products to add to the cart to get that free shipping thing, because people love free shipping. So yeah, then the next thing that we have here, you can see after the discount, she offers other products by category, bestsellers, cosmetics, and all that stuff. That's what you should be doing in your first email. As I mentioned, you give them a discount, and after you give them a discount, you just try to offer them products that they can use that discount for, and that's what she does. And this is very well done. As you can see, everything is very clear and nice visuals, which is important for a cosmetic brand. So yeah, then on the bottom of the email, you can see she has these value propositions, she has these trust seals and all these things. You should have these things on every email of yours, whether it's an welcome email, whether it's a campaign. So it really helps. That way you communicate your offer, because if you communicate your offer, more people will understand it, and therefore more people will buy from you. So this is really good thing to have. So then the next thing I wanted to cover regarding her email marketing is how her promo emails look like. And as you can see, this is a promo email where there's like 25% off skin and baby products, blah blah blah. So a lot of you guys, when you're doing a discounts and stuff, you try with some storytelling, you try with some things like that. And the fact is that if you're pushing a promotion and there's a discount, just say that it's 25% off, it's 15% off, 20%, whatever, and show them what is discounted. Because you have to understand that in your email list of your brand, there are different types of people. There are people that are new to your brand and you should nurture them with all these things. But there are also kind of loyal people and people that have been buying from you for a longer periods of time. And for them, you don't really have to do like some ultra fancy storytelling, some ultra fancy copywriting stuff. Just put the discount that you have. Is it 15% off? Is it 20%? Put that above default, show them what is on discount, show them that bundle in this example, and have of course the CTA, the call to action, which is in this case shop now. So you have to sometimes try to be as consistent as possible. These types of offers are called offer leads. So they're very easy to write, very easy to present. And some of you guys try to overcomplicate it, and therefore you miss the chance to sell more and just do things as simple as possible when you should be doing things as simple as possible. So I just wanted to point out how consistent her copy is, and that in these types of campaigns you should really be consistent as well. So yeah. Then the last thing I wanted to mention here is that how she pushes two kinds of offer on her email marketing. One kind of offer is buy more, save more. If your order is above $50, it's 20% off. If it's above $100, it's 25% off. And if it's above $150, it's 30% off. So this is the type of offer that works very well for her. So I just wanted to point that out as an inspiration for your brand. It might work for you as well. So as you can see, it just says Memorial Day sale, buy more, save more, than what the offer actually is, how it look like, what are the numbers and stuff. And you have a simple call to action. That's how consistent you should be sometimes with your email marketing. So this is the first type of offer, and the next type of offer is this one. It's a free gift or free product or something like that when you place an order above $55. So this is the second type of offer she is pushing. So for that reason, you can still use this as an inspiration for your brand to increase your AOV and stuff. You can see every email of hers has this free domestic shipping on orders over $40. So use this as an inspiration to try different offers for your brand. You should be really testing different offers on your email marketing, and that way you can see what really works. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful and that you got some advices from Kylie Cosmetics email marketing team. And if you'd like me again to audit your account, click the link down below and schedule a free discovery call with me. And like and subscribe if you'd like more content like this. So that's it for this one. See you in the next one.